My name is Christian Dax. I'm an associate at Arup as structural engineer. Yeah, we did see Please Be Seated, the sculpture for the London Design Festival. The initial idea was to use waste scaffolding boards to create this curvy bench. Once we had the idea of scaffolding boards, then we added the galvanized scaffolding tubes as structure so that we keep the language, which was again a nice idea. Product out of the shelf does not need to be newly resourced, and I think it was quite a very successful piece. It made the square at Broadgate House. It changed it completely. It was completely differently used at lunch breaks. People enjoyed it. People loved it. It gave some magic to this plaza. It was a really great experience. We came up with the idea to add the scaffolding tubes. We designed the weights and foundations, and also we needed to be quite clever about all the joints and connections. So we tried to use as much as products out of the shelf to deliver this quickly, to keep it simple, to keep it in budget. So that was quite an interesting process and quite a creative process. So I really enjoyed that. Some joints that were joints used for scaffolding, so especially the splice joints. Some other we fixed the boards with self-drilling screws, which I know from roofing. So that's another something what we stole from buildings. So yeah, I can see, and also the foundations, the counterweight, that is just filled with bricks. So what you can just buy and sell again. And there is interest. There were requests from other organizations that they want to rebuild that.